Hey guys, this video will cover the Task Force Wolfpack, a new mod list for the Special Forces. So we'll go up to our mod list. Right now it's not posted here, which is fine. It should be posted after this video or sometime tomorrow or within the next coming days. We'll go ahead and go to the private links or the Google Drive links that Shadow was nice enough to provide. And basically this will be the first of two folders you'll have to download. So you'll just come to that drop down and then hit download. And then it should populate down here. Give it some time. It'll actually populate down here in this area. And then it'll start to download. So it'll be like almost like a dual download. Um, and then it will be a zip file. And we'll get to that here in a second. And then the second link that Shadow was very nice enough to provide will basically be doing the same thing. We'll just hit the download button and then let it populate. One thing that Shadow mentioned, and I had the same issue, is if it says that there's trying to download a TFL or TBF PBO, you can just cancel that. And same thing with the custom 2 folder. Sometimes it tries to download 2 at once. So if you see it, just go ahead and cancel one of them. Just make sure you download the other one. So we'll go ahead and get out of the Google Drive for now, and then we'll switch back over to minimize Discord and come back to our downloads. So your downloads will look a little like this, and they'll be zipped. So if you want, there's something called Express Zip File, or Shadow alluded this to me with Open Winzip, it's called. So I'm just going to use the evaluation version. We'll open it up here, exit out of that, and basically all you're just going to do is drag and drop, and then it'll extract it, and then because I already have the files there, um, it'll just create a new one. You'll see it right there, and boom. And then you'll do the same thing for the custom or whatever file you want to do first. Use valuation version, and then exit out of that, and then just uh, drag and drop. So the easy way to do this, easy way to do this, or as I like to do it, because this is the most simplest. All you have to do to get it into your Arma 3 launcher once you have all your mods. Right now, I don't have the full mod list, but say you have the already 130 something mods. All you just do is drag and drop, and you'll do the same here with this one, and then they'll be loaded. Hit load mod, and that's it. And then they are in your folders or in your Arma 3 launcher. So it's pretty simple. If you have any issues, contact me, Shadow, and we'll be able to help you get squared away. But and you can see them right there. So that your mom, nice. So that's pretty much it. Really simple, not too hard. Like I said, if you have any issues, definitely we're all happy to help if you have any questions. Thanks again, guys. Catch you soon.